Welcome to webdevclips.com. In this tutorial video, I will be covering how to install, configure, and verify a MySQL database server under Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. Now, to get this installation started, let's go to MySQL's official website, which is www.mysql.com. Go ahead and select the Downloads option. Under the MySQL community server, go ahead and select the download option. Go ahead and scroll down to your platform options. Here we're going to leave the default, which is Microsoft Windows. Now, depending on your processor's version, or should I say architecture, you're going to select either 32-bit or a 64-bit version. If you're not really sure, I recommend checking your documentation or maybe checking with your original equipment manufacturer. But as for me, I'm going to select the 64-bit version since I'm running a 64-bit operating system and a 64-bit processor. So just go ahead and select the download option. Okay, once you've pressed the download option, a registration window is actually going to come up. I've already registered, so I just went ahead and I logged in. But if you haven't registered, just go ahead and register, and then once you register, you should be able to log in. Then once you log in, you'll be presented with a page that looks like so. It's the mirror page. MySQL is going to come up with a form to fill out. I recommend it's not necessary. Just go ahead and bypass it, and just go ahead and select the option that says no thanks, just take me to the downloads. Now once you do that, it's going to present to you a couple of flags here with different mirror sites that you can download the MySQL server from. I'm going to go ahead and select the North America option here, which is going to be Hurricane Electric, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose the HTTP option there, and I'm going to save the file. Just go ahead and close the download window, close your browser. Okay, once the download is complete, you should have a icon that looks like this on your desktop or in your download folder. This is your MySQL MSI installer. Go ahead and double click it. Go ahead and run it. Now you should have your installation wizard come up. Go ahead and hit next. Now for the setup type, we're going to choose custom instead of typical. We're going to hit next. For the install to directory, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the C drive, and under the web dev directory we're going to create a new directory and we're going to call it MySQL. We are going to go ahead and hit OK. Now we should have c:/webdev/MySQL/. Go ahead and hit next. Go ahead and hit install. Now while going through this installation, you might get a window from Windows requesting permission to install the program. Just go ahead and hit yes. Here MySQL provides some additional information about their Enterprise Edition MySQL, which is available for a small fee, and which they also provide technical support for. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and hit next since we're just using the community server and it's for learning purposes only. Here we have some more additional information on the Enterprise MySQL Edition. Here the wizard is complete. Here we have the option to register the MySQL server. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to uncheck that option, and we're just going to go ahead and leave the configure MySQL server selected, and we're going to go ahead and hit finish. Again, the Windows message may come up requesting permission to install the program. Go ahead and hit yes if it comes up. Here you have your configuration wizard. Go ahead and hit next. Here we have the configuration type. We're going to use detailed configuration instead of standard. Hit next. For the server type, we're going to choose the server machine, which we'll be able to use for our web services, Apache, and go ahead and hit next. For the database usage, we're going to use the multifunctional database, and we're going to hit next. For the NODB data file, where it's going to be stored, it's going to be on the C drive, and we're just going to go ahead and hit next. for the concurrent connections of how many users you can have connecting simultaneously to your MySQL server, we're going to go ahead and just leave the default, which is 20 concurrent connections, which you're not going to use that many, but you can just leave the default and hit next. Now for the port, we're going to leave the default, which is port 3306, and we're also going to leave the enable strict mode. We're going to leave that option selected, and we're going to hit next. For the default character set, we're going to use the standard character set, which is the default for English, and we're going to hit next. For the install as a Windows service, we're going to go ahead and leave that option selected, which will automatically start our MySQL server when our computer comes on. And we're also going to select the include bin directory in Windows path, so we can work with our MySQL server from our command prompt. Go ahead and hit next. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a password for our root account, and go ahead and hit next and execute your configurations. And once that is complete, go ahead and hit finish.